Want to keep your garden buzzing with life this winter? Let's make it a haven for wildlife. First off, birds. Keep those feeders full with seeds and suet. Fresh water is a lifesaver too, just make sure it doesn't freeze over. Next, think about hedgehogs. Pile up some leaves and logs, they'll love it as a cozy hideout. And don't forget insects. Bug hotels are brilliant. You can even make one yourself with bits of wood and bamboo. Leave some plant stems and seed heads standing. They're perfect for overwintering bugs. Lastly, resist the urge to overly tidy up. A bit of mess can be a blessing for wildlife. Fallen leaves and dead wood offer food and shelter. So there you have it. A few small steps to make a big difference. Let's give our garden friends a warm winter welcome. Happy gardening!